Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput Blog. So today I'm just telling about the Capgemini Acceler update, onboarding or joining update news, full detail video waiting for the joining. Those who are candidate or not received their mail or something like that, they have not receiving the onboarding or joining, they are just frustrated. So just I'm telling in this video about the full information, joining update, upcoming exam details. Also in this video I'm sharing with the mail where I've received by the candidate from the just send me the mail regarding the information about the Capgemini Acceler program. So guys, in this video just subscribe my channel Technical Rajput Blog and let's go to the mail what I have get from the candidate from the company. So Capgemini Acceler, this was the mail from the candidate. Past candidate have received about that they have to share the information or something like the link, share their input through the link by the August 2020 to 2020 before the 2:30 p.m. So guys, this is the past candidate. Because I'm just telling through the mail only about their candidate who are just waiting for their onboarding or something, they are waiting for their exam of the competition, next exam or something like the training. So guys, in this video I'm just telling about the information regarding this mail only, just to mention about the candidate, they will be the getting the onboarding or something opportunities or participating in the future like that. So guys, let's start the video. Hope you are preparing for the upcoming technical competition as well as participating in the, as your progress is compulsory Capgemini Acceler winning step. We would like to our feedback and experience. This will help you to enhance and customize the progress or you share the meantime. Look forward and next created content coming your way. So guys, there was a 2-line mention about the candidate, they will be getting the opportunities or they are just on the way, something like that. Say there was a first line about their upcoming technical competition as well as. So guys, there will be chances for the candidate who have just not getting through the training or something like that, competition or something like that, exam, technical exam or any interview, something process like that. So guys, they will be getting the opportunity in upcoming days. So guys, just don't be panic, the situation is going to be handled because many candidates have not received their onboarding, just something like that, they have not getting the information from the company side, they have just auto generated mail. Companies have sent me that they will be the business requirement or something like that. So guys, don't panic, the situation is going to be handled. This will help to enhance your customize. The last line will be the meantime, look forward the next curated contest coming on your basis. So guys, there will be the opportunity for the candidate also, fresher candidate also or something like the candidate who have not getting their delay onboarding, something like this. There will be the chances for the candidate, again there will be the hope for the better. So guys, I hope so there will be chances for the excellent candidate because you are a good candidate or something like that applying for the Capgemini. Or don't panic, the situation is going to be handled because this type of mail sent by the Capgemini only for the candidate or something like that. So they will most probably they will send you to again. If any query, you can comment on my comment section also and visit my Telegram channel Technical Rajput Blog.